My name is MD Alman Hussain. I am studying 7th class Triveni Talent School's Khammam branch. So I am here to speak about coronavirus. Hey friends, since past few weeks you have heard about this new illness called coronavirus. So I am here to speak what are its symptoms and how it affects humans, what are its measures, how can we stay safe from this illness called coronavirus. Hey friends, by now most of us aware of the outbreak started in the China Wuhan district by the new species of the virus called novel coronavirus. They belong to the member of a family of coronavirus that was first identified in 1960s. They are responsible for causing the humans a range of diseases in humans, including the common cold and more severe life-threatening forms like SARS and MERS. But the crucial question is, how did the recent outbreak occur? Well, like other coronaviruses, this virus has come from animals and it is the form of zoonotic disease. Many of those infected patients either work or frequently shop the Huanan seafood wholesale market in the center of the Chinese city, which sells meat and live animals, and it can also spread via the air like other cold-causing viruses. However, unfortunately, its actual source isn't confirmed yet. But what we know so far is its symptoms and how it affects humans. A person who is affected by this virus, some may suffer from dry cough, mild fever, breathing issues. If the virus steps its leg inside the person's body, the patient may develop a severe case of viral pneumonia. The air sacs in the lungs fill with fluid or pus and needs immediate medical attention. And also the virus are likely to infect the older people with suffering from weak immune system. But is there any way to treat this disease? Well, it is a new disease. For this, no treatment is available so far because it is a virus. Antibiotics won't work against it. Now, here comes the crucial question. What can we do to stop this outbreak? Well, it's always good to practice a good hygiene and caution, avoiding the close contact with the individuals suffering from the acute respiratory syndromes or wild animals, the livestock, dead or alive. Also, it would be best you wash your hands with warm and soapy water regularly, especially if being in direct contact with an infected person. If you find any of the mentioned symptoms, do visit the doctor. And did you know the virus is named after its shape, which takes the form of a crown and the protrusions around it, hence it is known as coronavirus. And the full outbreak of the current form of coronavirus disease is the 2019 novel coronavirus or 2019 nCoV. And coming to the safety measures of this, hey friends, as we know, the majority of confirmed cases of coronavirus disease, aka COVID-19, has been reported from mainland China. The notorious virus has spread its leg all over other countries and regions, while the scientific community is trying their level best to cure for this disease. So in today's episode, let us learn what are the safety measures of the virus, how it dies of the safetiness. So let us find it out. Most of the people infected by COVID-19 experience a mild fever, recover it sometime, but it can be more severe for others. For this, the virus is also the evil spreading in every area, but the virus may sound harsh, so please try to avoid the person who is sick, especially those suffering from fever, dry cough, cold or acute respiratory syndrome. And if you are the one suffering from, do visit the doctor and share the information about the recent travels. And after that, take your medicines and do stay at home until you are completely cured. And in case if any person is confirmed with this virus suffering from, please try to wear the face mask to avoid the virus. Also, the next very important is that you should wash your hands with warm and soapy water for 30 seconds of time, especially after going to the bathroom, before eating, coughing or sneezing. And while you're sneezing or coughing, keep the flexed elbow like this, or you should, it's always advisable to use a tissue, but make sure to discard the huge tissue, the large bin, closed bin, since the virus has no place to run out from open environment. And lastly, help your parents to clean the disinfect objects, frequently touched objects which are dirty, by using the regular household cleaning spray and or wipe, and you can bring the things back to normal. If you forget, the easiest thing you can do is by saying these things to others, and be always stay calm, do not worry. Thank you all of you. As our director Dr. Gollapudi Virendra Chaudhary Garu has gave the 10 lakhs check to the government, and I am very proud of that, sir. Thank you once again.